Can you switch accounts on Discord Mobile? Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you, can you switch accounts on Discord Mobile? So, let's begin. Unfortunately, Discord Mobile still doesn't have the feature in which you may be able to switch accounts. So the only way to switch your account is to simply open Discord, click on your profile found in the lower right corner of the screen, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and click on Logout right here. Click on Logout once again and sign in with your second account. So, unlike the Discord on PC or your laptop, you may be able to switch your accounts by clicking on your profile alone. However, the Discord mobile still doesn't have that feature. But in the future, we are hoping that Discord might be able to include this feature on the Discord mobile since they have already placed the feature on the Discord on PC. So let's just wait for further announcement. And also, um, again, there is no way yet, but this feature may be added in the future. So for the meantime, what you're going to do is to again go to your profile, click on log out once again, and then sign in with your second account. So that's it. That's how you can switch accounts on Discord Mobile. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.